وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Respected judges, loving ustads, parents and my dear friends, a warm good afternoon all. Today, I feel much honored to stand before you and share my views on the topic, the importance of reading. Though my topic sounds very interesting, it's a little bit challenging too. As we all know, reading is the act of written words and understanding their meanings. But what's special about it? Why it's so significant? Let me enumerate. Before launching into my topic, let me remind you one thing. What was the first revelation given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes, Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Read in the name of the Lord who created. It emphasizes significance of reading. Reading is a good habit that one needs to develop in life. A great book can take you to everywhere in this world. A reading is to the mind as exercise is to the body. We always think about the dull realities of life. Here, reading is a good way. It's a way to release our tension and stress. We don't need a plane ticket to go to other side of the globe. A great book can take you to everywhere in this world. But how do the new generation spend their times today? They are addicted to drugs and mobile phones. So we should develop reading habit at an early age. But reading newspapers and magazines us inform about what's happening around us. Our great leaders like Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru and APJ Abdul Kalam were voracious leaders. Thus, today a reader is tomorrow a leader. As I conclude my speech, I am reminded of the fact that our Islam places much importance to reading. A great book can recommend to one is our Holy Quran. Reading Quran gives us guidance. Reading Hadith teaches the life of Muhammad Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So dear friends, read and read. Reading makes you better, not bitter. With this, I stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.
അടുത്തതായി ചെസ് നമ്പർ 332